What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over web design for medical practices. So kind of the main things you want to make sure you have within your web design when you are building a website for your medical practice, and making sure that it's designed to not only drive leads, but also to rank well in Google, to also perform well when it comes to Google ads and other types of advertising campaigns, and really a website that's going to be built so that people can get all the answers they have in one place without having to go back to Google, research reviews, and try to figure out, okay, should I go with this provider? Should I go with this provider? Because when people are searching through, for this one, it's a primary care. So Evergreen Family Health. Basically, we have, our services, if we look over here, is going to be preventative care, primary care, pediatrics, women's health. So these are kind of like your main, just your everyday doctor that's just basically doing your physical. So there's a lot of different providers that do this. So you need to find out, how do we stand out from the crowd? The one thing this website doesn't have, and I would recommend having, is I always say your main image should be pictures of your lobby, your offices, your outdoors, your doctors. Every single image on your website should feel more personal and something where it's like, hey, here's the actual doctor, the provider that will be helping you during this. I don't have this on this website. This is a fake website. If you need a website for your medical practice, just reach out to Surfside PPC. We can create professional websites that can look really however you want them. This is a kind of a quick one that we put together. So Evergreen Family Health, basically the main things you want to start with. So I always say an about page, just, here's where we're located. Here is how to reach us. Here is our history. Here are our providers. Here are the things that we are able to provide to you. So Evergreen Family Health is built around the idea that a medical practice should reduce friction for patients. That's the marketing in the website that is doing it. But meet the providers, ready to schedule your visit, a nice call to action at the bottom. And then down here at the bottom, we have a full footer. So all the different forms people need, patient forms, insurance that we accept. This is the next one. Always kind of put, here are the insurances that we accept. Put the logos that you do accept, what you don't accept, and whether or not you accept cash pay, which I assume most medical offices do. So it's just one of those things. These are the questions people are going to have, and your goal with your website is to answer them. So the about page and then a patient resources type page will answer a lot of questions that people have up until they're like, okay, what services can I actually get done here? So what are the medical practice services that you provide? Now, this is meant to be a general family health office. So telehealth visits, immunizations, lab testing results, medication management, maybe something they do, chronic condition, women's health, pediatrics. So kind of your general care of, okay, these are the annual visit. Let's do our blood work. Let's make sure we figure out everything is okay, and we just do our preventative care once per year. So that's kind of the main thing you want to show, is these are the services we provide. If you are an orthodontist and you provide way different services than this, you do, then you want to make sure you have here, yes, we do braces. Yes, we also provide Invisalign. Yes, we also do custom retainers. Yes, we can also, you want to make sure that when people are searching for these specific services, if you're an optometrist, do you do dry eye? Do you do some of these different conditions that people have? Most of them are going to be yes. But if you don't have it on your website, then when people are actively searching for it, from a paid perspective, from an SEO perspective, you're less likely to rank. You're less likely to get that patient to come to your office when somebody else has that page, sending Google ads traffic to it, sending meta ads traffic to it. They're going to be the ones that are getting more of the leads, the phone calls, and you're going to say, why are we not busy? And a lot of times you need a built out website that clearly lists all of your services. And the next thing is going to be your providers. So people are going on your website saying, who is the doctor? Who am I going to see when I get there? It's the same thing with my website. Like on Surfside PPC, people are most likely saying, who is actually running my ads? So when it comes to meet our providers, we scroll down here. We have a fake primary care team, Dr. Joe, Dr. Riley, and Dr. Jordan, primary care, family medicine, and family health provider, profiles for all of them. Within the profiles, that's where we want to make sure we have reviews, make sure it's easy to either contact this doctor directly or create a separate appointment form for some of your different providers if it's one of those where people are specifically looking to work with certain providers. I would say pictures, reviews, bios, all of those things are going to help. Where they went to school, when they graduated, how long they've been doing it, what they specialize in. And, reviews can kind of help people say, okay, this doctor is rated really well. They do the service I'm looking for. The picture looks nice. You're kind of trying to sell essentially yourself as a doctor to potential patients. The best way to do that is essentially say, let's build really nice provider pages for all of our providers, all of our doctors, so that when people are coming in, they feel more comfortable and they already know who they're working with. I know the doctor's office I go to, they do have this. So I've shown examples of orthopedic care where they have 20 different providers at different offices that do different types of orthopedic care. The one by me has a bunch of locations, and every single one has a bio, what they specialize in, how long they've been doing it, where they went to school, review score, and it just gives you that level of trust before you actually ever visit it. So quickly going over it, you obviously want a nice homepage. This should be a more personal image of your practice. This should be another more personal image of your practice. Healthcare that feels personal. That's really the goal. And then, your thing is, let's make sure that people know everything they need to know about our practice, all of the patient resources they need so they can do these things before they get started, and understanding what insurance we accept. If there's a patient portal you have, if you have a third-party system, then when somebody does go to book an appointment, that's usually where you'd say, okay, go to here and get your appointment booked for, you might have an EHR system or some type of medical CRM where people can actually go in and easily book directly through medical appointment software. And the main thing is, if you are running your website, that's something you need to track. You want to track that with Google Analytics 4. If you're running ads, you want to make sure that is tracked. So you always want to make sure that your third-party tools are all tracked together. The other thing you do down here at the bottom is just a quick little, call button on mobile. Sometimes you have people with a call button. You could do down here, send a quick email, send a quick chat, or just send a quick message type thing. So sometimes just doing that can help, and just send a quick message about, name, email, what you are looking for, and phone number, and best way to contact you. Right here we have visit type, preferred provider, and then a message here. So submit your demo request. Appointment types. So when you're building your website, I think the most important thing is, I've seen a lot of medical websites that are really nice, really easy to use, but some of them don't have separate pages for all of these different types of services. So if you do provide pediatrics and you don't have a page for it, when somebody goes to services and there's nothing on your website about pediatrics, they're going to say, yeah, I don't think they do it. So they're going to look specifically for pediatrics near me, pediatricians near me. So you really want to make sure that all the services you provide are there very clearly. Even if it's something where it's like, yes, we do blood work, put that on the services page. So you want to make sure that when people are looking up, I need a family health provider, I need a pediatrician, I need a physician, I need a doctor, I need a primary care doctor, I need a preventative care doctor. You want to make sure that when they are searching that, you have the pages and everything so that people can easily say, okay, this is where we want to go. So the other thing is going to be, just make sure it's very clear where your office is. So this one is a fake website, so we don't actually have a real address. But I would say up at the very top, put your location and hours here. Office location, hours for a fictional medical practice. So we are at 123 Wellness Avenue, Anytown. I don't even know what ST is. I don't think that's a state. Oh, state. Okay. Anytown, state. Map placeholder. So put your maps there. Definitely highlight your reviews, not only for your providers, but for the practice. So practice reviews can go right here. I like having little things like this: patient portal, telehealth available, same week visits, same day visits you could put as well, but same week, honestly, for a medical practice. Most people searching for medical care are like, can I get in tomorrow? Can I get in the next day? It's not generally, can I get in right away, unless it's urgent, and this is not urgent care. So book appointment, find a provider, patient portal, location and hours, healthcare that feels personal, comprehensive care for the whole family with all of our services listed. And then we have easily request a visit online, open full appointment page, quick type of request appointment where you just call them back. Better digital experience for patients, same week appointments, readable service pages. That's clearly just showing, yes, this is a good website. Simple, convenient care, so how it works, meet our providers, everything patients need to get started, resources to keep patients informed. So this is more content-based. When to schedule an annual physical. So you can start putting together articles that are, when you should actually schedule your annual visit. This is not a long enough type of page, but it's really designed for annual physical near me, and somebody in Anytown, USA is searching that, then we have a better chance of coming up. So your website is essentially digital brochure, but the way that people are going to find you, where it's like, hey, we're searching for this specific service in this specific area. Who does it? When you have a nice, fully built out website, you're more likely to rank high. Your Google business profile is more likely to rank high. And ultimately what you can do is get more patients in, get more reviews, and drive more patients long-term through your ads, through your SEO, and through all of your marketing efforts. So if you are a medical practice, if you are looking for healthcare marketing strategies, if you are looking for a healthcare web design or medical web design, then contact Surfside PPC. We can easily create a beautiful website for you that will convert well, that will be easy to use for your end users, and will look very professional. This is a very quick one we threw together. One of the other ones that we've done recently, I'll show a different one, is this one is Charleston Smiles. So again, another fake business, but we have the address at the top. So downtown Charleston, hours, phone number, social media, book appointment here, make it easy. Beautiful smiles right here in Charleston. For this one, we have a bunch of services for a dental practice, so preventative care, teeth whitening, dental veneers, emergency dentistry, Invisalign, dental implants. So we have all of these. If you go on the preventative care page, we have a dedicated page for it. Preventative care in Charleston. So this one actually looks a little bit better actually than the other one that we have. But if we go over here, meet our team, Dr. Austin Arney. Yes, this is a fake dentist. The team around Austin Arney, these are fake people, ready to meet them in person. So you can see this is, a nice professional website. Nobody is going to come on this website and say, I don't think this is a good enough company for me to actually trust and go to. So it's one of those things that, if your website looks nice like this, then, we have our services listed. We have our AI generated images, which looks like the same person, and then dental experience that's actually comfortable. And the thing I like the most is we have this reviews section. So highlighting from your Google business profile, this is fake. Charleston trusts us with their smiles. We have all these different reviews, fake. And then these are really, if you can get your actual patients to say, we've been patients for 5 years, recommend this office to every friend who moves to Charleston. You feel like family the moment you walk in. If you can get something like that, it's like, give your patient a free preventative care. Insurance hopefully covers it anyway, but, try to find ways to get your patients involved in actually marketing for you, because the best way to market is word of mouth. I read today on Nextdoor about somebody with Myrtle's Inlet Dentistry. I've been going there for, the last 10 years. They've been great to me. They've been wonderful. I would highly recommend them to everyone. Appointments are good. Doctors are, dentists are good. So when you do have those types of people that are having a great experience and become ambassadors for your brand, that's the ultimate goal for a medical practice. And, it's really getting more reviews and building a website that makes it easy for people to say, yes, I'm going to call this company, and yes, we are going to take the next step and go to an appointment. So that is how you get paid, and the best way to do it is with a nice website to get started, search engine optimization, Google Ads. So that's where Surfside PPC can help you out. So if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.